Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Mahwah, New Jersey, and we just completed a new Serenity sliding shower door enclosure. Alright, and this one comprises of brushed nickel hardware. And of course, our Serenity includes one stationary panel, one operable door. Since the toilet is on this side, we went ahead and put the stationary panel here instead of having the door there to make a corridor. This is a much better feel, and not to mention the towel bar is on the side wall as well. Alright, we use 3/8 inch regular clear tempered glass on this. There are other upgrades. There's low iron glass. There's also the Enduro coating. This is just pretty much a standard version of our custom kit. And and instead of using a U-channel for the stationary panel, what we like to do is the clamps instead. It provides a more frameless look to it. Instead of having a bottom channel on it, it looks a little semi-frameless and it looks kind of boxy storage. Okay? And remember also that on this kit, while the kit itself is purchased from a company called C.R. Lawrence, the glass itself we fabricate and we custom cut it to your specifications. So for example, we've cut this to meet a grout line. So that way there is no question about it. A realtor or future prospective home buyer comes in, they look at this and you can see it's been a custom enclosure, meaning it's been custom installed, done the right way, and it has a warranty, possibly transferable, you never know. So, and that's pretty much it. If you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.